Ruthenium is the 44th element on the periodic table and is a rare, silvery white transition metal with an atomic weight of about 101. Belonging to the platinum group metals, ruthenium is known for its exceptional hardness, resistance to corrosion, and excellent catalytic ability. It was discovered in 1844 by Carl Ernst Claus, who named it ruthenium after Ruthenia, the Latin name for Russia. Found in small amounts within platinum and nickel ores, ruthenium is typically extracted as a byproduct of refining these metals. Despite its scarcity, it plays a vital role in modern industry due to its strength and durability. When alloyed with platinum or palladium, ruthenium greatly increases their hardness and wear resistance, which is why it's used to make long-lasting electrical contacts, spark plugs, and high-performance components. As a catalyst, ruthenium is invaluable in several major chemical processes, including the production of acetic acid, ammonia, and hydrogenation reactions, as well as the Fischer-Tropsch process, which converts carbon monoxide and hydrogen into liquid fuels. Its high efficiency and stability under heat make it a key material for industrial chemistry. Ruthenium also finds use in jewelry, where it's added to other metals or used as a ruthenium plating to create durable, hypoallergenic, and low-maintenance finishes. In the electronics industry, its heat resistance and excellent conductivity make it ideal for resistors, microchips, and precision spark plugs.